Cancer journey sharing in the face of diagnosis and treatment. Breast cancer less than 1 year, to be presented by Dr. Consuelo Pumanes.
Good day to everyone. I'm Dr. Connie Pumanes, a doctor from the Philippine General Hospital. I recently underwent a partial mastectomy for what was an abnormal growth on my left breast. The biopsy turned out to be papillary CA. Fortunately, it was caught in the very early stage, and the biopsy showed that the borders on the resection were negative for cancer cells. Still, I was very surprised because we don't have a family history at all. And it was just found on routine mammogram. The first thing that came to my mind was that I was thankful because at this stage, napagtapos ko na po yung mga anak ko sa pag-aaral and natupad ko yung pangarap ng mga magulang ko na magdoktor ako. I am sad but not depressed, and I remain hopeful that things are going to be okay because I have strongly believed in the love of God. I believe that things are as they probably should be. There is something good that will come out of this. I have faith in my doctor, Dr. Ray Hoson. And for me, this is something that I hope will also be a wake-up call for my relatives to get their annual PE and annual mammography. I wish you all the best in your journey, and I thank Dr. Ray Hoson for this opportunity to share. God bless you all. Thank you.